Let's be honest, traditional AML training, it's long, boring and often painfully expensive. We're talking PDF heavy, theory only sessions with zero real-world relevance. And if you manage a compliance team, you've likely seen the knowledge gaps between analysts. Gaps that slows things down and creates risk. At KYC Lookup, we do things differently. We're not just here to tick boxes, we're here to build real understanding. We work with you to pinpoint exactly what your team needs. Source of wealth, screening challenges, and beneficial ownership confusion. Whether you need customized practical sessions or want to start right away with our ready-to-go courses, we've got both. So, what makes us different? We have over 150 professional-led video tutorials, which are engaging, clear and up-to-date. Custom training designed around your business. Progress tracking, end of training tests and digital certificates. We're mobile friendly with flexible access, affordable pricing without reoccurring membership traps. At KYC Lookup, we don't just check compliance boxes, we build a sharper, more confident team. So if you're ready to, skill up your staff or yourself, reduce onboarding delays, strengthen internal controls, and stay audit ready. Let's talk and start making AML training that actually works for you.